Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to lift a Toyota Tacoma. Lifting your Tacoma can significantly enhance its off-road capabilities and give it a more aggressive stance. We'll cover the essential considerations, from choosing the right kit to understanding the installation process. Whether you're aiming for a subtle 2-inch boost or a more substantial 6-inch lift, careful planning ensures a successful upgrade. Let's dive into the details to help you achieve your desired truck transformation. When selecting a lift kit, you have several options. Leveling kits are perfect for a subtle change, often adding 1 to 2 inches to the front. Spacer lifts are an economical choice, providing 2 to 3 inches of overall lift. For serious off-roaders, a full suspension lift kit, offering 3 to 6 inches, replaces shocks, springs, and control arms for superior performance and articulation. Each type has distinct advantages, depending on your driving needs and budget. A complete lift kit often includes new shocks, springs, and sometimes upper control arms. For lifts exceeding 2.5 inches, new upper control arms are vital for proper alignment and suspension travel. Additionally, consider extended brake lines and a differential drop kit for lifts over 3 inches to prevent premature wear and tear on your drivetrain components. These parts ensure your Tacoma performs optimally and safely after the modification. Installing a lift kit can be a complex process, especially for full suspension systems. While some kits are DIY-friendly, professional installation is often recommended to ensure everything is correctly fitted and torqued. Crucially, a professional wheel alignment is mandatory immediately after installation to prevent uneven tire wear and maintain proper handling. Remember to regularly inspect your new suspension components for optimal performance and longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.